Hi, I'm Jason Kienast, Field Agronomist for Pioneer in Southwest Iowa, and today we're going to talk about early season emergence and what we're evaluating early on from the crop standpoint to see what our yield potential is. So first and foremost, what we're going to want to do is get our boots on the ground into the field and actually take some stand counts. But one thing that we quickly find out is that we can't cover a whole field by walking it and taking a stand count on every single acre. So what we have to do is leverage technology to be able to see a macro analysis of what that 80 or 160 acre field has to offer. So we leverage tools like Encirca Pro, which is satellite imagery, or drones. So drone technology has allowed us to get images from an aerial view where we can see things such as nitrogen streaking, herbicide carryover, or even some herbicide damage, but we're able to take that on a larger scope than what we can do with just a boots on the ground report. Another thing that Pioneer has done from a proprietary standpoint with their agronomists is using the Isaiah app. This app is allowing us to take stand counts from our default camera that we bought with our drone, and we're able to analyze our GPA plots that have different populations. We're able to analyze digital agronomy that a lot of guys are utilizing today. And we're also able to analyze our impact sites, which are utilized to push products to the grower from our product agronomist. So we're able to become very efficient and give a good analysis of that crop early on. For more information on the Isaiah app and early season evaluation, please consult your local Pioneer rep.
That concludes this Pioneer Growing Point Agronomy video podcast. Visit our page on pioneer.com and follow us on Twitter and Facebook for more agronomy insights.